This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Lisa Jones. Walk through the front door and enjoy miles of breathtaking mountain views. This inviting and immaculate brick and stone carriage style home includes an open floor plan. Kitchen has granite counters, breakfast/entertaining bar and a gas range. Main level features, a great room west/13.5 feet ceilings and a wall of windows to take in the panoramic views. Custom built-in bookshelves surround the gas fireplace. Main level primary owner's suite. Imagine waking up to beautiful mountain views, including a double tray ceiling with an oversized closet that opens to the laundry room. Spacious primary bath with a walk-in tiled shower, dual sinks, whirlpool tub, granite counters, and another full bedroom and bath on the main level. Second floor features include a den/family room, a bedroom with a large walk-in closet and connecting full-size bath, a large bonus room, and another room that could serve as a guest room/office/workout space or storage. Outside features, unobstructed hilltop view of the mountains protected by Hoa common area. 20 by 15.5 screened-in porch with a gas connection for a grill. Wired for a sound system. Small concrete patio off the screened-in porch. 2-car garage with insulated carriage-style door with additional workbench area. Hoa dues currently include mowing, mulching flower beds, fertilization treatments, winterizing and de-winterizing irrigation system, snow plow/salting when needed, trash and recycle. Professional photos have been ordered. Much more to come. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Jones at 865-966-1111.